So hello guys, so today we are going to edit a sunset glow edit. So first we want to adjust the exposure a little bit and the contrast, highlights like this, shadows like this, whites. So do exactly as I do in this video. So as a result you can get the sunset glow in your photos as well. It's a very simple edit. The temperature should be like this, okay? Then only the photo will look like a sunset glow. Otherwise it may look very cool, like a bluish tone, something like that. The temperature should be high. The increase in temperature is the main important part of this edit, and tint, all other things like etc. And the other important thing is masking. On masking we have to select the sky like this, and we have to adjust the sky temperature, exposure, contrast, texture, etc. Exactly like I said in this video. The temperature, here it is. The tint, yeah, like this. If you do exactly like this, you can get an exact sunset glow in your picture as well as mine. And then yeah, linear gradient. So you have to darken some of the edges and so solely because we have darkened the edges because the center of attraction is the main, so we want to darken the edges of the photo like this. And the linear gradient on the other side as well you want to edit. Then the circular gradient to highlight the middle of the photo. It should be a little bit brighter. We should be a center of attraction like this, as I said in this photo. Exposure a little bit, okay, very a little bit. Contrast maybe a little bit, as you wish. If your photo have the correct exposure and contrast like me, you will get an absolute result like this. So don't forget to subscribe.